So yeah, so I'm gonna be trying to do that with those shirts. You know, start touching. You work on freaking vlogging, man. What's up, amigos? Welcome to a vlog here on the Ink Buildup. Now, I know I've been gone for the past 2 weeks, and you probably wonder why I haven't uploaded anything. And the reason is because of my day job, man. Literally, my day job is killing me. I feel like it's holding me back. But not also that, but it's real stressful that this past few weeks, I've been coming home not only tired, but again, stressed out. Literally got to the point where I was ready to tell my boss that I was leaving, that I didn't want to come back, because it's real stressful in my day job. Literally, like, I feel like I'm putting the amount of work I put into it, I didn't feel like it's worth it. But again, I thought over, you know, I got bills to pay, you know, kids to feed, and right now it's not the best moment. If I was getting a lot of print jobs, then probably I would do it and take that risk. Because sometimes I feel like if I quit my job, there'll be a big risk. But I feel like that risk, knowing that, you know, I need to find money to pay my bill, you know, I need to buy this, it'll motivate me, you know, push me hard to work more, to get more jobs and get this job done. Because like right now, you know, I'm living from each check, so I don't really worry about if I get a job or not. But at the same time, I didn't want to risk it. I mean, if I was, you know, by myself, totally would have quit a long time ago. But, you know, I got kids, you know, bills. So, yeah, I got to think smart first. But, yeah, so literally, my job has been holding me back. I didn't really get that much time to put into my side hustle. If you saw where I was trying to sell stainless steel straws, the way I'm selling them right now is at work, I have them placed in the counter. So when people come to my work, they'll see them. I also put it on the marketplace on Facebook, and haven't had any luck, and so I need to put more work into it. But I'll go into more detail in another video that's just based on that side hustle. So yeah, basically that's the reason why I haven't uploaded. But I'm gonna try to get back into this, and I don't like going this long without uploading anything. That's why I decided to do this vlog real quick. Probably like tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I'm going to do another video on the films that I use, because I've been getting a lot of questions about the type of film that I use. So I'll probably do a video with that. But another thing I want to mention is, I want to give a big thanks to, I think I believe is Joe from Instagram, who recently just gave me a donation, which literally has helped me. Because one, today I went to the screen print supply store, got a new Emotion, because I was running low on the other one. So I got this one. And I was going to go with my camera and show you guys the place that I bought this from, but I forgot to take my little tripod at work, so I didn't get a chance to film that. But anyways, I ordered this. I also ordered some new Squeeges off of Amazon. And I would have bought them here locally, but they're about the same price. And the ones that sell here, they're okay. But I decided to give those ones a try. They're also wood Squeeges, and it was a pack of 2. I think it was one 9.4 inches, and another one that was, I believe, like 6 inches. I got small Squeeges. The reason is because I really need small ones, because I'm gonna end up doing more shirts of these ones, and I need at least 3 Squeeges with this length. And when I did the first ones, I said I was gonna use my big Squeegee. But I forgot it has buttons, so yeah. So the way I ended up doing these shirts was, one Squeegee was like this, and the other one was like this. So yeah, that's why I decided to get small Squeeges, so I could wait for those to arrive. Most likely they're gonna arrive on Monday, next Monday, because I ordered them on yesterday, which was Sunday. But I already kind of figured out how Amazon the shipping works, where if I order between this week, it arrives literally on Monday. But maybe if I have luck, maybe I'll right before that, but I doubt it. So yeah, so I got that done. And also with that donation, I have enough for my bus fare to go and to come back to Mexico City. And in case you haven't seen my other videos, I have mentioned that there's a screen print event happening here in Mexico City in late August. And I really want to go, because I went a year ago, but I didn't really get to enjoy it because I found out about it like literally like the day before the event started. It's a 3-day event, and it was a last minute thing. and it was awesome. But unfortunately, I didn't get to fully enjoy it because I was only able to spend a few hours. So this year, I literally want to stay all day for the event so I could see everything. So luckily, right now I have enough for the bus fare. And if I'm able to save up some money, maybe I'll spend there 2 days. That way, you know, I could stay there for the entire event and ends at night. So maybe I'll get a hotel to sleep and come back the next morning. But yes, I'm still planning that. But anyways, another thing that I want to talk about is literally I have a lot of things to do, and I mentioned this on another vlog too, where I have all the things I want to do, but I need to find a way to organize it because literally I'm over here, trying to do everything at once, and I don't get anything done. That's why I haven't really been able to do anything on this past few weeks as well, alongside being stressed by work. So first, I gotta clean in here. I gotta reclaim my screens because I still have my dirty screens from this over from my brother came. I think it's a Lego art shirt. I still have my aluminum screens. I mean, they're still dirty. I just think I'm gonna wash off the ink and reclaim them. But yeah, so I'm gonna find a way to organize. Nice. So I'm gonna try to find a way to organize a way to do all those things I need to get done. So yeah, oh, another thing. I have thought about another side hustle I'm thinking of doing. Something I actually thought about a long time ago when I was starting with screen printing is I want to start selling t-shirts. And I'm not talking about my clothing brand. I'm talking about I'm going to buy designs online. Not buy an actual design, but buy oh my god, I'm struggling. Buy a license so I could print a shirt and sell it. That way, the designs, I could look for cool ones, and they're already ready, you know, to print, you know, to screen print, all the color separated. So I'm thinking about doing that, where I will upload a photo, you know, a mock-up on Facebook, put on the marketplace, and kind of do like I'm thinking probably like a pre-order, or make some shirts already, and and put them online to see if people want to buy them. I'll offer them at a low price, not a really high price, because here in Mexico City, literally the maximum price that person will buy a t-shirt is 100 pesos, which is literally like around like $4.55, which is pretty cheap. Yeah, so me trying to sell a shirt here for 200 pesos, not gonna do it. So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing that. But anyways, I'm thinking about doing another CMYK print. I'll give it another try. In case you haven't seen my first attempt, I did how do you say, más o menos. So I'm gonna give that another attempt. And I tried post on Facebook and Instagram, but sometimes I don't know what to post. But again, I'm new to this YouTube, so I'm still trying to get the hang of it. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. Just me rattling, talking, and I just realized that my hair's kind of messed up. And I don't feel like recording this all over again, so I'm just going to leave that there. So yeah, so if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, or you want to get in contact with me, message me through Facebook or Instagram, any of that. If you have any ideas, if you want me to make a video about something, leave them in the comments below and I'll look into it. But in the meantime, I don't know how to end these videos, man. I need to work on this better. But anyways, I'm going to call this a night, so I'll see you guys next time.